Welcome to the tutorial on Introduction to Data Analysis. In this lecture we will try to understand the meaning of data analysis, and why has it become an urgent need in the corporate world today. By the end of this tutorial you will have a better clarity on, firstly, what exactly is data that the world is speaking of? Where does this data come from? History of data and how many changes it has gone through over the period of time. Then we will see, what is the meaning of analysis and why exactly we have the need for it. In the end we will look onto its wide-range real-world applications. So, before any further delay, let's begin. As the name suggests, data analysis simply means doing analysis on data. Though, it is meaningfully correct, but it still leaves many questions unanswered. First and foremost, why do we do analysis in the first place? Then if analysis is being done, what type of data is involved in an analysis? Where will we get this data from? What type of analysis needs to be done? In the end, what are we going to do with the results of analysis? Sounds confusing, right? Worry not. Stay right in until the very end. So, before we formally define what data analysis is, we must understand what it really means. The term, data analysis, is formed by combining two words together, data and analysis. Let's take and try to understand it individually. So, what is data? You can find hundreds of different definitions of data on internet. Some of which are: data are values of quantitative or qualitative variables, belonging to a set of items. Another appropriate way of describing data can be: data refers to distinct pieces of information, usually formatted and stored in a way that it serves a specific purpose. The practice of collecting data have been prevalent since primitive times. Earlier, the purpose of data collection was record keeping or to pass on information. Before the invention of computers, people used pen and paper to create and store data. Or in some cases, information was passed from one generation to another in form of pictures or sculptures. From life-changing discoveries to keeping census, without data nothing would have been possible. Data from the past helped us understand the direction of our present growth. Let's understand data with help of an example. Suppose you work for a company and your job is to keep record of details of all the employees. Their name, address, employee code, contact details, department name, etc. You can easily do it by creating an Excel sheet and store data in tabular form. Such data is referred as structured data. With boom of internet and an upgraded shift in the use of modern technology, more advanced types of data began to surface. Today, with the tabular details, we even have the capability to store the photograph of the employee in the company database. Photo is an image file. Similarly, nowadays we have data in various formats such as images, videos, GIFs, PDFs and most of the social media content. Such type of data is referred as unstructured data or big data. Do you know in 2020, every single day humans generated 2.5 quintillion bytes of data. This is approximately 2.5 million terabytes of data. Data is ubiquitous and internet is an ocean of information. You book plane tickets or register yourself for health insurance or even stream Netflix. Everywhere data is being collected. Let's talk about Netflix. As soon as you register yourself into their platform and begin watching movies or TV shows, they keep an eye on your choice of entertainment. This helps Netflix recommend you movies based on your interest and past choices. Some may like watching comedy shows while others may be interested in thrillers. Let's look at another example. You might have used Amazon for shopping. When you order something on Amazon, or even browse, they start recommending you all kind of exciting deals on the items relating to your browsing history. These are called recommendation systems. Amazon collects data from your experience each time you visit their platform. So, data is almost everywhere. Every organization, however big or small it may be, is using it to enhance the business growth. We will discuss more about data and types of data separately, in much more detail. Moving on, the next thing we discuss is, what is analysis? Analysis is defined as the process of breaking a complex topic into smaller portions in order to have a better understanding. Doing analysis requires data. Data contains information. Some of the information is clearly visible and can be extracted using intuition. But most of the information remain hidden inside the complex patterns that can't be seen without proper analysis on data. Another good reason for performing analysis is the humongous size of the data available. More the data collected, more the information can be extracted, which is impossible to, without using appropriate tools of analysis. Data is a defining factor in providing a competitive advantage. More the information you can dig out from data, better your chances are in attaining competitive success. Organizations perform analysis on data to understand and solve the real-life problems encountered by them. The aim of solving any business problem is to enhance its growth. Nowadays, even small and mid-cap companies have realized the immense power of data analysis in order to improve their business model. Let's see to a real-life example of what data analysis can help corporations achieve. Who hasn't heard of McDonald's? They are the biggest burger company of the planet. In order to enhance their business, McDonald's hired Plexure, a stream analytics company of New Zealand, to increase customer engagement in Netherlands retail stores. After performing advanced data analysis on the retail data, they created a progressive data model that increased McDonald's Netherlands yield by 700%. So, a right analysis can turn any business lucrative. In the end, let's look at the formal definition of data analysis. Data analysis is the process of manipulating, analyzing and processing data to extract relevant information to help businesses make informed decisions. This brings us to the end of this video.